Guys, hello. I am back with a new video, Science Experiments 6. So today I am doing bubble tricks 2. This I am doing with 4 bubbles at a time. You will want to see. The materials required are dish soap, one water of bowl and one straw. Okay? Now take one table and apply some water. Apply. Don't forget to apply this one. You can also try this at home. It is very easy. And now take a straw and apply some dishwash and water to get nice and to go inside the bubble. And okay friends, now dip. Okay, see guys, now see guys, now see guys. See, you can observe inside the bubble. Inside the bubble, another bubble is there. You can observe. See, I will show you by zooming. See, 3 bubbles at a time. We can also do this. Don't think that we can't do anything. We can do anything. So I am showing now. This is the best example. Okay, you can also try at home. This is very simple trick. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. I will come next week with a new episode. Okay, bye.